Here is the formula for our 3 ingredients face toner: distilled water, glycerin, and preservative. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a simple face toner using just 3 ingredients. And we're going to start off with our first ingredient, which is our preservative. I'm using preservative eco. So with our preservative, we need 0.1 grams of our preservative. And then to our preservative, we need glycerin. We're using this at 6%, so we need 0.6 grams. And then to our preservative and our glycerin, we're going to add our distilled water at 9.3 grams because we're making a 10 grams batch of this. So here you have it, your simple, easy 3 ingredients face toner ready for you to bottle up. What you can do is you can add extracts to this as well. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in another video. So let's bottle this up. There you go. Your 3 ingredients face toner is ready for you to use. Distilled water is purified water with minerals and impurities removed. Distilled water is the foundation of most skincare formulas. It's completely purified, making it much safer than tap water for DIY products. It helps blend ingredients together and creates a lightweight, hydrating formula. Glycerin is a natural humectant that attracts moisture. Glycerin is one of the best humectants in skincare. It pulls moisture into the hair and skin, helping products feel more hydrating while keeping skin soft and healthy. You will find glycerin in a lot of skincare hair care products. It's commonly used in toners, serum, creams, shampoo, conditioners, and body washes. Preservative Eco is one of the first preservative that I started using. It's a broad spectrum preservative approved for many natural formulations. So a preservative isn't optional in water-based skincare, it's essential. So Preservative Eco helps protect your products from bacteria, mold, and yeast, keeping them safe for you to use. Another preservative that I bought recently is the Nat P 9010X. It's a broad spectrum preservative system for cosmetic formulation. Nat P helps keep your DIY skincare safe by preventing the growth of harmful microbes. Every water-based product should contain an effective preservative. I use this in lotions, creams, serum, toner, shampoo, and body care, products that has water in them or products that will come in contact with water.